Can IndiaMart be a multi-bagger? Or is it overvalued at its current prices? Does it have the potential to be the next Alibaba.com? And should you add it to your portfolio? Let's find that out in this video. Hi everyone, welcome to Stock Talk with Jay. I'm your host Jyotsna, and today we are going to analyze India's largest online B2B marketplace, IndiaMart, as a potential investment. SMEs, small and medium businesses or small and medium enterprises. They contribute nearly 30% to India's GDP and employ a staggering 47 crore people. However, their digital adoption is extremely low and it has hindered their business growth. Around 68% of SMEs are not even connected to the internet, and this is the problem that IndiaMart is solving. Let's now understand the company's business model and its product line. Now, IndiaMart is a marketplace for business to business purchases. To understand this, let's take an example. Suppose you are an individual buyer and you want to purchase a phone. So you go to Amazon or Flipkart and you purchase the phone from there. Imagine that you're a business and you build or produce a certain type of goods, but you need some packaging material to be able to box or package it. You can purchase that packaging material from IndiaMart, and that is what it does. So essentially, IndiaMart has moved businesses from offline discovery mode to online discovery mode, where earlier a person would have to physically inquire about the prices of different raw materials or equipments. Now they can do that online through IndiaMart and they can just simply post a request for quotation to the seller. IndiaMart has a posting of around 86 million products across 56 industries and spanning across a well diversified range of 95,000 categories. The platform connects 125 million plus buyers with 6.5 million supplier storefronts. In terms of revenue, around 55% of the paid subscriptions in terms of suppliers come from metro cities, which you can see on the right side in green, and 27% is from tier 2 cities. So both the buyer and suppliers are well diversified across geographies. Now, the AI algorithm matches buyers and suppliers by taking into consideration four factors, which is the product, what price range is required, what is the quantity required, and what's the location of both the buyer and the seller. We can also see the buyer and supplier journey on mobile applications. So, for example, there's a buyer who wants to purchase a soda machine. They can simply enter the name of the good and all the items would be listed. They can then click on the product page, inquire about the price, and they can speak to the seller. Let's take a look at the seller journey. So let's say somebody has requested for a quotation. You can either talk to them directly or you can share your product catalog link with them or you can just send them their AI based smart replies. Talking a bit about the financial ratios and numbers of the company. The PE or price to earning ratio of the company is 49.8, almost 50. So this is quite high, but all software and IT companies these days have a very high PE. In terms of debt to equity ratio, it's 0.03, which means that the company is almost debt free. If you look at the price of the share, currently it's at 4,337. But if you look at the annual chart or over the year, what has been the price, the maximum was 9,700 plus. But now the stock price has corrected to 4,400. Let's take a look at the profit and loss statements of the company over the last few years. So, in terms of net profit, till about 2018, the company was loss making, and from 2019 onwards, it has become a profit making company. Last financial year, which ended on March 2022, the net profit was 310 crore rupees, sales or revenue of 751 crore rupees. Let us decode the changes in their shareholding patterns now. Over the last few years or few quarters, the promoter shareholding has decreased about 3% from 52 to 49, whereas the FII shareholding has increased from 10% to 23%. The public shareholding has decreased. The institutional investors include the likes of Westbridge, UTI, and Kuwait Investment Authority Fund. IndiaMart has also made some strategic investments in other software companies, ranging from purchasing some of their shares to an overall acquisition. So the softwares range from accounting software like RealBooks, Vyapar, all the way to Busy Infotech, which is a ERP planning software, and Zimyo, which is in HR tech, all the way to legal tech platform Logistify, and also logistics tracking companies like FleetX and Shipway. So, overall, IndiaMart is transforming from just a discovery and conversation platform for small and medium B2B businesses to a commerce enablement and business enablement platform with inventory management services, order management, accounting, tax, payroll, and everything that you can think of. That being said, please note that this video is only for educational purposes and it is not meant to make any stock recommendations. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or any thoughts that you'd like to share, add it to the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel for all the latest updates.